About, I have shown you with respect to different type of architectures related to enterprise also, and with respect to architecture of the buildings with respect to that, and also architecture of the enterprise also. Both examples we have seen in the previous class. In today's class, actual Zuckman framework with respect to enterprise architecture we'll see. In that, actually, it can be generally you can see with respect to the Zuckman framework for enterprise architecture, that is classification with respect to names, and audience perspective also we'll see, and classification of the names and module names, and with respect to audience perspective, from left hand side towards right hand side it will be moving with respect to the architecture verification. Okay. Here, with respect to audience perspective, executive perspective, that is business context planners, you can see here. And in this, for each and every levels of the row, you will be verifying with respect to the questions. That is what has to be done, how it has to be verified, and where it has to be implemented, who has to take the responsibility of this, and when we have to identify this or implement this one, and why we are doing this one. All these questions has to satisfy with respect to each and every levels of the row and columns also. Okay. And in this executive perspective, if we are seeing inventory identification has to be done, and process identification. See, extensive perspective, if we are taking, means when we are starting our own business, at that time, what all things we have to verify, or what all things we have to do. Here, extensive perspective, what we are doing with respect to extensive perspective, inventory identification we have to do. Means first what type of implementation we are doing, that we have to see. Next is how we are going to do it. We have to find out the process. If we are finding out the process, it will be easy to know how, where we are going to implement. Distribution identification means where and all its access is there, and where and all you can verify with respect to these implementation, and where you can be transmitting it, where it can be used. All those things we'll see in the third one. And who, responsibility identification, who has to take care of this implementation methods with respect to the levels, with respect to the departments, everything we'll see in who. And with respect to when, timing identification, what step we have to take when. All those things we can see with respect to in fifth column, that is when we are going to implement it. And then in the sixth one, why, that is motivation identification. See, all those things we can implement, you can implement in your project presentation also. Can you see that what we are doing as a project, how we are going to do this, where we are going to do it, who has to do which part, and when we are going to complete it, and why we are doing this. Motivation with respect to doing your project. Here also you can see with respect to business enterprises, with respect to audience perspective. Okay, that is why we are going to do this, or why we are going to implement this product. That is related to why. Okay, and here scope, context, scope identification, list we have to see in the first row only. That is with respect to model names. Next, if we are seeing with respect to business management perspective, if we are doing with respect to business management, then what we have to do, inventory definitions, that is business entity and business relationship, what should be done with respect to business management perspective. How it has to be done, process identification, same thing with respect to business management perspective also, that is business transform or business input or output thing. Next, if we are going with respect to where, that is distribution definition, that is business location and business connections. Always where comes with respect to business means what are the locations we are going to implement your business and where the business connection has to be communicating from one to another location. If we are going for who, that is responsibility definition. Who is taking the highest responsibility, who is taking the lowest responsibility. In that way, you have to identify business roles and business work product also has to be communicating from one role to another role. Next, timing definition, business intervals, that is where you have, when you have started, in what level you are reaching after 1 or 2 years. In that way, you are going to check related to timing definition. Motivation definition, that is business end. Business means why we have started, why we are ending it. That you will get to know in business management perspective. Then architect perspective, that inventory representation, system entry and system relationship, that is architect perspective. What is the actual entry point related to your business or architecture, and what all the relationship are there between one to another one. Then only you can create a proper architecture related to that. How? That is process representation, that is a system transformation, system input output, that is transformation from one to another one, that you will see process representation, starting step to the end step, you will be verifying it. Where, that is distribution representation, system location and connections. What are the systems starting point to the end point and how it is connected, that is related to architecture. And who roles also you have to represent with respect to architecture, and when, that is time interval, system interval, and movement with respect to the results. And motivation representation, system end and system means you will be verifying with respect to overall architecture. In this, you will be finding out the system logic. Then is engineering perspective. One sec. Where were we? Architect is over. And engineer perspective. With respect to engineer perspective, what is inventory specification? With respect to technology, you will be thinking related to engineer perspective. Means what all technology we are having, technology relationship between one to another one. And how process specification in terms of technology transform, technology input and output, all those things you will verify with respect to how. And where, that is distribution specification, technology location and technology connections. All this engineering perspective revolves around the technology only. Responsibility specification, technology role and technology work product, all those things come under who. And when is timing specification, technology interval, technology movement, that comes under when. And why, motivation specification related to technology and technology means all what I, in what technology it got in and in what technology we have started our own business or work. In that will come under engineering perspective. As we have discussed, it is always dependent on the technology. Technologies, physics, you will consider with respect to fourth row. If you are going for the fifth row, that is technology perspective, that is inventory configuration and tool relationship. You will be checking related to technician perspective. Means it is in the lower order. Wherever you only tools and usage of the materials or usage of the components, you will be doing it. Here, inventory configuration, what we are going to see, tool entry and relationship. How is tool transform and tool input output, that is with respect to process configuration. Where is distribution configuration, tool location and tool connection with respect to distribution configuration. If you are going with respect to who, that is responsibility configuration, that is who is taking the role related tool roles and tool work and product related. When and tool interval and movement means when it has to be used, when it should not be used, and what is the time interval to use these tools. All those things come under when. Why is tool and tool means motivation configuration with respect to that. Here always, as we have discussed till now, everything is related to tools. That's why it is a tool component row. Here technology related, it is related to architecture, is related to system logic, and if you are going for business management, it is related to SE perspective, it is scope copy. And enterprise perspective, if you are seeing with respect to overall enterprise, then what should be checked here? That is inventory instantations, that is operations entities operation relationship. What all the operations we are doing means what all the functions we are doing with respect to overall enterprise, that comes under what we are doing in the enterprise. If you are going for how, that is the process related instantations, that is operation transform and operation input output with respect to that process interventions. If we are going with respect to distribution, operation location and operation connections, how the functions are interconnected. Responsibility, operation roles and operation work products, all those things come under who is doing that. When is timing instantations, that is operation intervals and operational movements, that is related to when. And if you are going for why, motivation in instantations, that is operation ends and operation means, everything comes under why we are doing this, implementing this enterprise. That if you are going for model names, operations instance, the enterprise. Overall, with respect to segment framework, if columns, inventory sets for what, if you are going for how, it is process flows, where distribution networks, who is responsibility assessments, when is timing cycles, and why is related to motivation intentions. If you are knowing with respect to these column top ends related to classification now, if you are going for enterprise names, if you remember these things, overall structure representation of your Zetman framework will become easy for you people. Okay, and this overall representation of segment frame, normally it will come for 12 to 15 marks for your actual primitive models versus composite models. A primitive model